Your Ninja Foodi Deluxe can make up to 1 gallon of yogurt at a time. To make yogurt, start by adding your desired amount of milk to the pot and lock the pressure lid in place. Make sure the pressure release valve is in the vent position. Turn the dial to the yogurt function and be sure the display reads YGRT for yogurt. Select the amount of time you'd like for the incubation period. The longer the incubation time, the tangier the flavor and the thicker the consistency. For example, selecting 12 hours will produce Greek-style yogurt. Press Start-Stop. The unit will bring the milk to a boil to begin pasteurization. Once complete, the unit will beep and continue to monitor the temperature as it cools. Cooling may take several hours. Once the yogurt has cooled, the unit will beep again and display your preset incubation time. You can now open the lid and add the cultures. Whisk to combine. Then lock the lid back in place. Now press Start-Stop to begin. When the incubation is complete, you'll have freshly made yogurt. To complete the recipe, chill before serving. For more information and recipes, visit ninjakitchen.com.